Yes. You don't know the thing. I went low key, came back here and change. Yo, you don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back, ladies and gentle G's. You don't know say my name is Negus Imara and we are here with Adonis Films. You understand what I say?
Yes, I.
And you know, if you never know, now you know. At them money shoot and edit, direct the video. What else you do concerning the music video?
Boy, brother, you know,
Cast,
yeah. Get the people that want to be the location scouting.
Location.
Yeah, for real. Set dressing.
Literally a one-man band.
Yes, sir.
And in whatever ways I can assist, I assist. But
yeah, big up Bebel too.
Yeah, blood clot, big up Bebel. Junior Bebel! up. Yeah, well, for big up Junior Bebel, man. You don't know. One thing is one say, where Dufton are saying, big up Dufton Shepherd too. Bro, once you have a team, bro, you see a team is very important.
Yes, man.
You see me? And I think, me and Bebel attack, even before the music video, bro, like, this is literally what we were talking about, bro. Like, having people around here do, like, have a specific set of skills that can benefit your craft, bro.
Yeah.
You know, I forgot outsource nothing, brother. Everything the right stuff.
Yeah. Real
because you take my photos and you do my videos.
Yep.
Why do I need to go contact that person or this person here?
Yeah, joke thing that.
The only way that would even happen is if, let's say I'm on a tight schedule and it needs to be and you're not available.
Yeah.
That's the only way.
Yep.
But if you say, all right, bro, here, fit it on my schedule or whatever.
Yeah.
We're going to work with that.
Yeah, simple much, man.
So, as me I say, if we never know, no. I them wanna shoot, short nigga, big walker. You understand? I do a music video in my yard already. I just shoot some footage of my yard and send me dog and man stuff something. But this is my first official music video. This is no cap. So what am I gonna do right now? As director, editor, the man responsible for the video.
Yeah, I pray it.
And the artist. We're gonna do a walkthrough of that video. Can I tell you that video? As I say, them dancehall artists are not 4K in them music video. I've never a long time in a click on some of them video. I'm gonna see 4K there as an option.
The biggest thing, brother. So some of them have 4K,
So why I see 1080p?
Well, yeah. So we have 1080p at that there, but on that, me I give a big example. Pre this. The 4K and 1080p, that's not even the important thing, The important
what is the important thing?
The visuals, the concept behind your video.
Okay.
A lot of movies nowadays are still shot in 1080p, brother. Tell me, I tell you that. You see it and you think of 4K. Tell me, I tell you that. Some of them are 1080p, but when you see it, you say, what?
So if that shooting at 1080p, that spread across on big movie
because, brother, so lighting is a big factor in how your image are gonna look like.
Dog, 1080p movies, bro?
Brother, this way I shoot now.
Yeah.
It's 1080p.
I can't understand this at 1080p.
But pre the levels, brother. You see, if this setup different,
word,
you would look and you'd have the same camera but the image are gonna look different. And you gotta wonder say, I see camera this when we have.
Word.
So at that, 1080p only, brother, 4K only serve you when you want to be flexible with the footage. If you want to zoom in certain way and lose quality. We can just do a little bit of maths. 1080p is in. If you go so bam, multiply that by 2, you get 2160. That's a part of the resolution of the screens in.
Yeah.
So the image is bigger. So when we decide to, for the scene I want to zoom in, we can zoom in and not lose quality.
Yes.
Because now the resolution was higher. So I can zoom in now all the way to 1080p. But the further you're going in, the more quality you lose.
Yeah, definitely.
But at that's the purpose it really serves.
Okay.
You see me? So I just as the creative for know how you're gonna manipulate them things to create the best image. Because a lot of them seen there, what you see in your video,
yeah.
Some of them seen there 1080p to how far I zoom in,
Okay.
But it was shot in 4K though.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
You see me I say?
Yes.
So people can watch it and be like, that's a 1080p. To them, what are them eyeball, brother? Especially when I use them laptop, them phone, them this.
Clean.
You may tell them, man.
I'm yet to watch a video up on a big screen, but we're not a big screen right now. We're watching on the laptop, so I'll take a tea right now. You understand? Yo, make sure I set the volume up.
Yeah.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, director and artist. You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Here we go.
Yeah, we let them know share the Negus. Yeah, been together since the days of a fetus. Yeah,
Fetus from the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'ma say,
One Nation and I Imara Nation.
I'ma say,
One Nation and I Imara Nation.
short nigga,
Yeah.
big walker, piss him on farmer shit, talk
Big up
shit.
VIP.
They call me
Big up VIP.
Kids nigga, on which daughter? Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shared on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like, they switched.
Yo, hold on. Yo, is it a transition there?
Brother.
The dog, all right, this is the thing about him, like, as a creative, as someone work too, you think about what you're going to do ahead.
Yep.
This was already filmed in his head before him even filmed this.
Yep.
The dog say, yo, at this moment, I say, oh, you mean, brother?
Yeah, man.
Trust your judgment, let's go. This is like a bad. And it wasn't even, this wasn't originally how it was supposed to go.
Yep.
It was supposed to be 2 kicks. Right?
Yep.
It's supposed to be 2 kicks. Explain where you want, though.
Yeah, so essentially what me da go do, me da go have the girl kick,
Yeah.
and then you kick, and then I just match up the feet for do a cut. But must say, you know what? Since she a kick,
Yeah.
even me I go do then. I need for dramatize the kick.
Right.
Even me I go do now. We just make the glass broke. You see me? So I do that instead, and then we just transition into the other clip of you. And I say, you know what? I need a clip after that to have a certain dynamic. Because we can't dramatize the kick and add the effect there, and the clip after that just lame. So I say, no, I need something more extra. So I draw for the, when I go to Babs now and dip on the blood clot,
Yeah.
the basketball hoop, and a vibes.
That was a very good pick right there.
You see me? Yeah, brother.
And that was a very good pick right there. And I think after we filmed this, didn't you say you were going to use this clip?
Yeah.
I could have swear think so. It's like the dog literally done piece it one step at a time like a puzzle.
Yeah,
like as so we are film, after the dog I fixed up the puzzle them.
Yeah, man.
Forget that picture, yeah. But go continue, brother. Transition is sick.
Change of flavoration. Weed out the snakes, then my rise up in my nation. It is what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man. Make money stick to the plan. What me say? Eagle, Remington. Them boy they
Don't have no relevance.
Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. Eagle, Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. But what me do? Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real, deal from head to toe.
Of course.
Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Da Vinci tell me if you watch my friend do.
Y'all lost straight up some corny niggas.
You cannot hold back a flow, so nigga, the position that I'm in, the boss is in that position of power, you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up.
Yo, that girl, yeah? My the girl pretty like, whoa.
I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex for my nigga.
Walk.
Damn.
Like me that make between her legs.
Brother.
Before she get bent in pretzel position.
Yo, mama skin clean.
I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex for my nigga. Like me that make between her legs from the river. Before she get bent in pretzel position.
Ah, she cute too, you know.
Short nigga, big walker, piss him off, I'm a shit. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids.
Yo,
brother,
bomb
pause this up. Yo.
you see that scene there?
Brother. When the man them forward in the dog, the man them come with that energy in a brother. You see me?
Sherlock, big up myself for general.
Brother, Sherlock roll
stay
out
so.
and Sherlock say, yo, what me I working at?
Yeah.
What me for dealing? I'm gonna say, hey, what go on? But just want the man them treat it like I want party with it.
Yeah.
Vibes, you have vibes.
Yeah.
You see me? And at that, the man them do, brother. The man them run out and say, yo,
Facts.
You see
Real
me?
talk.
Brother,
Real talk.
You see them authentic thing there?
Yeah.
It bring a certain vibe to the video. It not make it seem forced.
Yeah,
You
facts.
see me? It feel like, say, you know, see enough people all say, yo, the video should look like it did fun. Because it was.
It was. It was no, damn, I gotta go shoot this video, man.
You see me? It was fun.
It was like, yo, you must shoot my video, you know. You see me?
Amen.
And we're going there, and the lights them on, the camera start roll.
Yep.
Everybody.
And me could
moving.
just stop for big up my boy. Yeah. Say, we bring the bag.
We bring the bag, yeah.
You see me? Cause remember say I put it out and say rain.
Yeah.
And say forward to the bag.
Facts.
When me lay eyes on the bag, immediately me say, yo,
True.
this yeah so?
I feel
We have to use this.
Facts. You did
see me?
say that.
Because it have a certain it changed the entire dynamic. As minuscule as it might seem to
Yeah.
you, if the bag never did, then I tell you that can tell the difference.
True.
You see
The
me?
bag, because for some people, who don't know, like the people that who follow me, who know say the picture on the bag of me, and the fact say my name I go cross it,
You see
and
me?
the dog in the intro use the words and I go cross the bag and put it in the intro. Girl them fetus.
Brother,
The bag was perfect.
me I tell you.
Perfect.
Perfect, brother. And at night time, so you know it a pop with the
Facts.
sign on it. Is
Facts.
it? Brother, crazy.
Facts.
Crazy.
We'll see what I go and say now. Big up Sherlock and
Say.
and Kemar and VIP. You see me?
Gee, Isaac, big up yourself.
Big up Isaac.
Even pissed when I shit on them. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on and
Bomba class of see that dog. Yo, pause that real quick. Yo,
Brother.
it's a 2-barrel roll in that video, you know, but one of them never so perfect.
Yeah.
So the dog got some now and say, you know what? Another barrel roll.
Yep.
End up using 2 of them still.
Yep.
Good to go. But you see that one, yeah? Where the man shoot from underneath mama and roll out. I saw
Yep.
the camera roll. Non-stop. You know some of the gimbal them.
Yeah.
Them only can go at 180 and
yeah,
turn
yeah.
back around.
Yeah.
The one it does step on a wheel is a wheel setting.
Yeah, me
and
G.
that does a zoom out. Cause you see pre now. And how it clean and how the dark precise. The camera did focus on me. And when the man go, as soon as the man goes over and zoom out.
Yeah.
And roll out. And a mama ya see.
Yep.
Mama just become clear on me, dead in the background.
Yep.
Dog,
Yeah, me G.
stink.
Got perspective, you know, because here we go on. When me I shoot that, you know,
Yeah,
I want for a reveal, me say me a reveal.
Word.
What I go on. Because if you look on it, you know, when it starts, you alone you see. You know?
word.
You
Yeah,
not see nothing.
yeah,
You see me? So once me reach, me get a full 180,
yeah.
I'ma start to pull back, then me reveal her.
Facts.
You see me? Then you autofocus after that. And you know what's funny? Enough people that think say me autofocus that was manual focus.
Bro,
That was manual.
that would have to be manual because, bro, the minute you see she, brother, me dead in the background.
Yeah, brother. Because I follow focus me use,
Yeah.
I spin the wheel as it a spin.
Yeah.
I get you autofocus because I say, yo, they shot there with a crazy. You
Damn.
see me? So then, and then we decide, say, you know what? Same thing. That's a very dramatic. It's a very dramatic thing.
Yeah.
So you see the next scene I want to go into, I want it for match perfectly. So when I go and pull the scene there, you know,
Word.
I make sure if I find a clip where you're the dead center.
Yeah.
So as soon as the fire reveal, the first thing you see, at the finger you see Negus, boom, and you perform the tune.
Facts.
You see me? Because we have to make sure so the thing them match. And you know what's funny, brother? Like I go back to me and tell you, my dog got to show me what I go on. The valuable so I can say I take from how him create, brother. I watch the man thing now how him create. Me seek advice from him and him tell me certain thing. And what I get from it is basically always try to get the best shot. Always try to push and see what you can come up with
Facts.
with your thing.
Your blood clot take him lesson to the T.
Brother, me tell him
Me the one done shoot after the first scene. I swear to God, because I believe say this, bro, if I did listen to me, brother, and start edit the first scene alone, brother, the video wouldn't answer.
me tell you.
And that's impatient. I was super impatient. The dog have a vision. I never know say me gonna do a 4-day video shoot. A celebrity alone do them. When me ask, my blood class celebrity. Me a blood class celebrity. So the dog say, 4 days.
Yeah.
Me see vision. A good youth, him rate me. That's why I'm go 4 days.
Yeah, man, the dog say, yo,
Celebrity
we
setting.
can work with that we have already.
We didn't reach nowhere, dog. The reason why I said that, bro, is because we did so many shots and it's easy to watch a music video. But once you know the efforts that were put in, like let's say one location, you might do 50 different takes of different things, of course. We just have a ballpark number. Let's put it at 20. Let me not go overboard. But you took at least 20 different shots at that one scene, right?
Yep.
Or maybe even more.
Yeah, man.
Because mistakes were made and stuff like that.
Yep.
But 4 different location, many different cuts. You know, like you know, long that take.
Yeah, man.
I have to go through them clip, yeah.
Yep. I have to watch every single one.
Every clip.
Come
I was ready.
Yeah.
I was ready. Bro, go start edit this right now, brother.
Nah, man.
I didn't see all of this,
Yeah, man.
but we'll continue. We'll see what I go on. So I'm not lying. Still a track shoot your body in that.
Real talking, man. Tough, man.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration.
That girl that pretty.
Then my rise up Imara nation. It is what it is. I
I don't know how to rep Jamaica everywhere we going, brother.
Yeah, me G, yeah, I say.
You're Jamaican? Oh, you mean? Oh, you know.
Them teeth my style and I
VIP.
Dog, out again.
Brother, this,
Watch
bro.
it.
This?
Vibes. Yeah.
Me down to earth like my big toe. Half things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend, no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Half things never stoop, never bend low.
Brother.
Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone chopping. You tell me to watch my friend do. Y'all lost shred up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flow. See nigga the position that I'm in the boss is in it. Position the power you don't want me in it. I couldn't
Clean.
Clean.
Your pennies are more.
Brother.
It be very turbulence when I launch them. It's a
Dog say Willy Bones. Ellie.
Shit,
Some weed is a very good sex for my nigga.
I liked how cool the girls were on set too.
Yeah, man. Nobody hustle and nobody.
Yeah.
Easy for work it.
Facts.
I got some for the strap I could give her.
Yeah,
Jamaican
brother.
flagging at the end.
I mean,
Dead.
That's how they say it start, you know.
Yo.
They say it start.
Yo. I'm gonna tell you this. Yeah, me a hype. When time of my time for hype, everybody wants to cry ball out and whatever. Negus never hype. When you see, when you don't put yourself out there, people feel like you think a walkover thing. You feel like a comedy thing. You think a blood clot Instagram thing. A man come on Instagram and goes, and go like me, I idiot. No, actual work is being done around here.
Facts.
Actual work is being done. A Spice video them and Shaggy video them alone can talk to my video them right now.
Yeah. Brother.
Who else music video clean like this? I said it's only Spice and Shaggy them and Sean Paul video them bad like this video right here.
Like I said, the problem is, out there, them don't want to pay the creatives.
Pay no blood clot money and stop
Brother,
move
you have a whole
stingy.
heap of bad director. Like I say, cause you know, it's a cap concept. African kid them and them man they were part ding dong them. Them brother, them man they make quality things, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? It's just that a lot of these artists is like them feel like say the man behind the camera are just another man. And you not appreciate him responsible for your image.
Facts.
You see me? Cause him gonna make people see you as a star, you know.
Word.
When you are do your thing, you know. Brother, at the end of the day, brother, enough of them big and crusty like we, you know, my lad.
Yeah.
But guess what? On the camera now, me can stay somewhere and say, hey, what? Niggas have to look like a star. How much time I tell you that in the video?
Yeah. Facts.
I say, brother, the video, for you for look like, say, your video. There
Facts.
should be nothing in this video where I compete with you. So, them supposed can look on the video and say, yo, I film video. You see me? Enough of the man in my yard, them not understand how impactful that is. That's why when Spice, Shaggy, Sean, Paul, and people, I go do them video, them allocate a very big budget for do them thing there.
Facts.
Because them know how important. Brother, remember, you know, Ellie say it, you know.
Earth is nothing, but image is everything. You understand?
me?
You can't come around look like pooping on my youth. You understand me, I say?
You see me?
Your video can't look like it's a 33 chain truth it, my youth. You understand me, I say?
Brother,
Peanut settings.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the thing. Pay them. The same thing goes for the dancers as well.
Pay them.
No, say, as a man where, I'm not even gonna say used to dance, because that's something I love, so I can't drop it. But at the end of the day, when we did really in the mud with dancing, brother, a lot of dancers, they're underpaid and overworked.
For real.
Them will give your video an entirely different aesthetic, brother. You know what I tell you? So you for them for pay them. You see me? Them for pay them, brother. Because them a look pan them and say, oh, I want to dance. Then I'm going to do like a routine and right. The same way how me practice my craft.
Yeah.
Get bad with the camera. And
Yeah.
the same way how them have to practice. For can
Facts.
be bad in front of the camera for make your visuals.
Facts.
You see me? So
Facts.
pay the people them money.
I just want to big up optimistic dancer them.
You mean?
Kemar, VIP,
You mean?
big up on yourself, brother. Wanna give the video a flavor.
You mean that?
When we see a long time when I see Willie Bongs. Long time when I see certain.
You know, see the vibes. Enough people not pre this. It was so authentic to the point where member said that wasn't planned, you know.
That's true.
As I'm there and I'm shooting, I will call them out. VIP, forward, yo, boss a move, right?
Yeah.
And then now them start for dance, and the dance will catch you where everybody can catch on.
Yeah.
And then that give the video a whole nother vibe.
Facts.
Everybody a dance now.
Facts.
It's contagious, bro.
Everybody a laugh.
Like
that wasn't, it literally wasn't planned.
Bro, I'm telling you. Can we decide to make exploit that because here I want the most authentic look when they perform. So I don't want to say Ray and just choreography and I just no vibes.
Yeah.
Give me a vibes. Yo, you know this man be tired. I shoot. Come in around for kill him and say, yo, Negus, energy, give me more energy. Yo, vibes, right? Jump up and down. And the man say, dog, how much more jump up and down, right?
I come like a karate settings. Man, I tell the man, jump in a ear and boom, flicker one bag of blood. Say, yo, dog.
Brother.
John or brother.
Because like me say, we are trying to do the best for the visuals.
Yeah.
And then pre the levels, yeah. You have to get your money's worth.
Yeah.
Oh. Me wouldn't feel comfortable as a creative where this me do.
Yeah.
I have somebody pay me and me know say a subpar type shit.
Yeah.
Me not comfortable to do that.
True.
Because me no want nobody to tell me say they want a refund.
Yeah.
So me I gotta make sure say me I gotta put my best foot forward and make sure say me deliver whatever it is that you say you want or exceed the expectations. For when you see it, they say, yo, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Me expect something good, but this is so crazy.
Bro, I don't want to say me had me the doubt here or nothing, bro, but my expectations, bro, you surpassed that, bro. I know I was going to get a solid body of work, but not to this magnitude, bro. This video is epic. And I dare you to find another video on YouTube from a dancehall artist right now that is just as clean as this. We're not talking about the spice, them. I will not talk about the Shaggy and the Shampoo. Them and the budget different, you understand? And mama budget different, but where I say, I'm not even a well-known artist. I'm just known on Instagram. But your favorite artist video don't act like this. It's not my fault. I don't say a thing. But you don't know, so yo, here I know we have more to talk about than this because I'm here to say something about the military in the first segment and I want to know what go on about that because me hear a whole heap of good things and me hear a whole heap of bad things and I want to hear your experiences. See me?
Yeah, man.
So yo, ladies and gentle G's, I don't know, say Negus Imara. This is Imara Nation Podcast. Stay tuned. You understand me? I deal it. Up move.